Hi, so I got a lot of questions after I did a time-lapse video of me using AutoPoles to set up a backdrop. So I thought I would just do a quick tutorial for those of you that had the questions, and you might find that for those of you that didn't, this is something you might find useful. Anyway, these are called AutoPoles. They're used in the photography industry like crazy. I completely missed it. These are made by Manfrotto. Other brands might make them, I don't really know. They work by placing pressure from the ceiling to the floor, and I put a cloth on that one to protect the ceiling so it doesn't get dirty, but I'm lazy and I didn't put a cloth on the other. So let me show you. It's lightweight, it's aluminum, I believe. You put it on the floor, you hold your foot on it just to keep it from slipping. You loosen the handle, you raise it up, and then you lock her down. Then take a super clamp. This is called a super clamp, and this is called a J-hook. These are both Manfrotto as well. Again, other brands might make it, I don't really know. And then you hook it up here, lock it on, approximately the same height, I can't tell. And then I take my crossbar and my paper, but whatever you want to use as your backdrop. You make sure your paper is rolling the correct direction, which is from the bottom. You hook her up, and then take your trusty 8-clamp. 8-clamps come in a million colors. They're just from the hardware store. They're super cheap. I love these. These are a staple. And I clamp down the pole just to keep it from running away. And I unroll the paper wherever I want it. And then you can use the second 8-clamp to clamp the paper to the pole here. I'll just switch this for now. And then you've got a set. One more note is that I'm going to be doing a lot more how-to videos. I'll teach you how to take better pictures of your pets, your kids, how to update your headshot for your LinkedIn profile. If you need to photograph product, whether it's to sell on eBay, Craigslist, or to launch your own brand, I'm going to do videos on that. So let me know what you want to learn and I'll do videos. And please share with anyone who you think might be interested. And I really look forward to it. Bye.